Hi guys, it's me again, Mama Rika. Today I'm unboxing my second gift from one of my friends in Metro Manila. So he sent me a mini sewing machine, guys. So this is the sewing machines that you can carry on wherever you go for the purposes of your job, for emergency backup, for your sewing adjustments. So guys, this is my second machine. This is mini sewing machine, guys. Usually this is really helpful for me in my part because I always have a service during uh, the time that I've been hired as designers or creators for the whole entourage for the weddings, even in for the debut. For some time they need an adjustment regarding about for the measurement of my clients. So this is really helpful, guys, for me. So usually, guys, this sewing machine is we got it from Shopee. By the way, it's not an sponsored, guys, but we get it from Shopee Philippines. So I'm very proud of it because I'm very thankful for my one of my friends in Metro Manila who give me uh, this mini sewing machine. So it's really helpful for me in my part. So by the way, guys, let us open this gift. So this is really nice, guys. I'm excited because I really don't know what's the color inside on it. So I'm just looking forward, and I love this one to take a look inside. So let us open, guys. Okay. So guys, let us open this one. Okay. So by the way, guys, I just want you to give the exact measurements of the sewing machine's picture. Okay. Guys, I'm sorry for the background, guys, because I'm very near to the highway, so there's a lot of motors always coming in, and that's the main reason we're a little bit noisy because all my videos is raw, so I don't even edit on it because I don't know how to edit it for the for sure. So for the I think for this coming month, I'm going to try out to edit it on. Okay, so we're open it. Okay, guys. So this is really excited, guys. Okay, let's just open, guys. Oh, it's another cover, guys. Wow! It's a mini sewing machine. So this is the look, guys. Oh, that's nice. Really, really nice. I think the color is white inside. So let us check this one. Okay, guys. This is a mini sewing machine uh, with a double thread with 2-speed control. So practically convenience and a big value. So this is electric, guys. So large spool can be used for rewinding device for easy replacements of button bobbin. Easy replacements of button bobbin. 2-speed control. Oh, nice. So this is really nice. So let us open. Oh, it's a white and violet, guys, inside. So this nice color, guys. Okay. Okay, so this is really nice, guys. This is really nice. So that's nice. So look at that, how cute the pot pedal, guys. It's really cute. Aha, cute, guys. So it's nice. So okay, the receipt is inside, guys. Okay, so this is the receipt, guys. Okay, so for the warranty purposes, so this is the manual, guys. So we have the manuals here and how to operate sewing machines operational manual. So this is really nice, guys. Okay, so let us try the it's super cute, really cute. Okay, guys, so this is the two pause button control. So with stitches control lock, so you can lock it in here. So we had on and off button, so on and off button. So this is really nice. This is for the thread purposes, guys, and this is the another one for the uh, stitching control for this one, guys. So it's really nice. I love this one. Thank you, guys. Thank you, my friend, for giving me this sewing machines, mini sewing machines. I love it and I very appreciate it. So it's giving a lot of help, guys, just to create this another project for out of this one, guys. So it's amazing, guys, that you have a friend and will give you and support you for your craft and for your fashions. It's really nice, guys. So look at this, guys. It's really important, really different, guys, from the sewing machine, for the industrial sewing machine, because it's in the top. So this is my first time to see this one, guys. So it's in the top. So I make a video, guys, for this one, and again, guys, just to how to operate this one, guys. As of now, I'm going to show you how what is important is this one and how it is functions, guys, for the next videos. So I'm very thankful because there is a lot of rewinding. This is a rewinding way of thread, guys. So it's really nice, really nice. So I'm going to make another videos about this one, guys. Okay, so for by the way, guys, I forgot, this is the motor, electrical wire for the motor. So you can use, by the way, this guys for battery or electrical. So because there is a battery, you can use for battery purposes, guys, or you can direct it to the current purposes, guys. So whatever you prefer, it go. So this is two-way, battery and direct current. So this is electrical, guys. Very nice, guys. So thank you, guys, for watching, and this is Mama Rika again, and I make a video this for how to function this one again for the next time, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. This is Mama Rika again. Thank you for your support and love. Bye bye.